Now today we are going to make a little bee-related craft. Okay, so for this activity you'll need some bubble wrap. You see I've already done one on here, and I've cut it out so there's a little arch like that and straight at the bottom. We need some yellow paint and a paintbrush and a black marker pen. Okay, so all we need to do is to cover the bobbly side of our the hive. And this is good. A hive is where the honeybees live, and there's lots of types of bees, like lots of different honeybees that will live in there. So you've got the queen bee, who's the queen, the boss, and she looks after everything and she rules the hive. So she is in this hive, and then you've got lots of the male bees in here, the boy bees, and they help to fertilise the eggs to make more bees. And you print it bobbly side down, and then you've got lots of the female bees known as the worker bees, and they're the ones that go out and fly and collect the pollen and the nectar. So you peel this off, and there you have your hive. I'm just going to draw this little outline to finish off my hive. Now, I might just use a little bit of the yellow paint as well, just to paint in a little door, a squishy door. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to paint my finger. Splodge. Finger painting, splodge. And I'm going to turn these into bees. So when I've done this, there we go, like that. Now I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll come back and I'll finish off the bees. Now my paint has dried, so using a black marker, I am just going to finish off my finger splodges and turn them into bees. So I'm going to give them stripes like that, some little wings, and so one's going to have a little smiley face now, little legs, and because they are the worker bees, the female bees, they have got stings, because it tends to be only the females that have stings. So we'll give them little stings. And here we go. Little stripy bodies. That one's going to have slightly thicker ones. Have some, give it some its wings, little legs. That one looks a bit sad. Give him a smile. Down here, what should I do with this one? I'm going to give him his wings. Oh, we've got one more down here to do. This one's just leaving the hive, and he's off to go and find some pollen. Buzz, buzz, buzz. And there we have it. A lovely little bee picture. So have a go. Let me know how you get on. Bye for now.